We want to express our love and appreciation for you being the best fans on YouTube. We love entertaining you, and we really appreciate you so much for supporting our channels.
The holiday season is quickly approaching, and we would love the opportunity to give back and celebrate with you. We planned a small holiday party where you will have the chance to take pictures, ask us questions, and get a gift.
The event will be held in Atlanta on December 1st, 2018. Those who are selected will be given the time and the address to the venue. You do not have to be from Atlanta to be selected.
The event is free, but the space is limited, so make sure you grab your parent or guardian that is 18 years or older to register you and your family right away. The registry can add 4 additional persons to your family to make a total of 5 persons per family.
Here's how you can register today.
Go call your parents, show them this video, and tell them that you want to go to Onyx Kids and Onyx Family Holiday Party. Go to www.bumeetandgreet.com, click on Register Now under Onyx Family, Onyx Kids picture, fill out your information, and we will contact you shortly to let you know if you were selected.
We can't wait to see you at our party. To the rest of our Onyx fam, happy holidays, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!